It's incredible how many billions of dollars have been invested in drug discovery campaigns premised on the idea that a single mutation is what separates a cancer cell from a healthy cell. Well, Rybodyn came to us saying because they've unlocked this whole universe of peptides, the dark proteome, things that we've never seen before, now they have found whole peptides that separate cancer cells from healthy cells. And with chemical handles that big, that enables a whole new class of immunotherapies that are safer and better for the patient.
I didn't think it could work. I was up late at night thinking about the proteins that are hiding in plain sight. All because the RNA is locked up in ways that our sequencing methods can't read it right now. I had this idea to crack the code. Think of it as the Rosetta Stone for proteins, a code to shed light on the dark proteome, the universe of proteins that are everywhere but are invisible to us. So I set up the whole sequencing prep myself from scratch, and then asked my colleague Ashley to show me the raw data. When I saw the patterns, I knew immediately it worked. We were able to find a treasure trove of never-before annotated peptides because of our proprietary technique. I called up Alex Yeager at MIT. If there's anyone in the world who understands how powerful this could be for cancer immunology, for tumor-targeting antibodies, for cell therapies, it's him.
Well, what my lab does is we actually use mass spectrometry to detect these peptides and have bona fide empirical evidence that these peptides are real, that they're there, and that we can see them across different cell lines. What Rybodyn's technology enables is a much broader search space for this discovery. Like now, the universe of targets has now expanded many log-fold.
I found over 12,000 completely new peptide fragments that nobody has ever seen before. Alex confirmed that our newly discovered peptides are actually displayed on the surface of cancer-specific cells. And that's when I knew we had a gold mine. I packed my bags and moved down to San Diego, the mecca of proteomics, and started building Rybodyn. In a few months, I got some Silicon Valley funding and was able to bring on Ahmad as a co-founder.
Think of big exits like Prometheus, $10 billion, Pharmacocyclics a couple years ago, over 20 billion. Those were huge because they were first-in-class assets, first-in-class drugs. They were the only ones servicing that patient population. So they were playing on their own, basically a monopoly. And that's the potential that we have here with the dark proteome.
Right now, we're getting data to show that we can raise antibodies against these new targets, and soon we'll be ready to engage with pharma partners. I'm confident this will catalyze a big wave of new immuno-oncology campaigns across the industry.
Being early with my last company was a major advantage in AI and drug discovery, and now we're again ahead of the field with the dark proteome and Rybodyn, and that's what makes it so exciting.